All right, let's talk about equivalence and division. First thing I want to tell you is that my clowns are trained to juggle 7 balls each. Okay. At my birthday party, I ordered a case of balls, and there were 70 balls in that case. If my clowns are only able to juggle 7 at a time, that tells me that I need 10 clowns at my party. So I have 70 balls that I'm going to divide equally among 10 clowns. All right, so here's my 10 clowns. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I know that 10 times 7 is 70. That's just one of those things that I know. So I know that right now, each clown is able to juggle 7. Unfortunately, instead of 70 balls, the case actually ended up having 140 balls in it. Now, my clowns are only able to juggle 7 at a time. So how many clowns am I going to need so that they are still only juggling 7 balls each? Okay. So right now, if 140 balls showed up and I only have those 10 clowns, everybody is juggling 14. And they can't do that. They don't know how. So what needs to happen to my number of clowns? Twice as many balls showed up. What needs to happen to the clowns so that they are still only juggling 7 apiece? Okay, well, 140 divided by 10 is 14, but 140 divided by 20 is 7. So now if I have 20 clowns instead of only 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And remember, when each of these guys did 7 apiece, that was 70 balls. So then I needed another 10 clowns to take care of the other 70. Because remember, my order was doubled. So there's my 140 balls, equally distributed between 20 clowns. And everybody is only juggling 7. So my original equation was 70 divided by 10 equals 7. What showed up was 140, so I had to divide it by 20 to keep it at 7. So the equivalent expression is 70 divided by 10 is equal to 140 divided by 20. Okay, and think about the relationship between these numbers. 140 and 70. Well, if I multiplied 70 times 2, I got 140. I also had to multiply 10 times 2 because twice as many balls showed up, so I needed twice as many clowns.